Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you the best application for free movies, TV shows. This app is back. It's incredible. It's been around for so long and people can't get it to work, but I'm going to show you how to get it to work and how to get it back again. Not only I'm going to show you how to get this application, but doing this process, you're going to get access to a store with over 50 plus premium applications that do basically the same thing and are just as good, or some, in my opinion, even maybe perhaps close enough or even a little bit better depending what you're trying to find. But this application is incredible. Don't get me wrong. It's one of my favorites. And this won't work on the Firestick Select. Works on all Android boxes, on TV boxes, Firestick, uh, and all the Fire Sticks except the Select version. Now, the first thing you want to do on your Fire Stick, right off the bat, you want to go to the gear icon, which is the settings. You want to go to My Fire TV on My Device. You want to click inside of there. You see I have developer options. Maybe you don't have developer options, which is fine. You want to click on that About button right there. Once you click on About, you see I have this Fire TV or My Device. You want to click on this little name about 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says, no need. You're already a developer. But if you're not a developer, it'll say, congratulations. Now you are a developer. Now, once you do that, all you have to do now is just click the back arrow and you'll have developer options. This is the first step we have to do. Now, once you do that, click one more back. We have to take care of a few other settings. We're going to go to preferences. And I've already done this, but I want to make sure you have these on as well. Go to privacy settings. And once in there, manage sharing from apps, make sure it's off. Okay. Device usage data off. And collect app usage data to the off position. Interest-based ads also in the off position, okay? Now, once you do all that, you want to press the home button. Now, once you press the home button, you want to go to Find here and go to Search. Once you take those two vital steps, click inside of Search. And once inside of Search, you want to start the Alexa voice remote, or you can just type it in, whatever you feel is easier. I'm going to use the Alexa downloader, and I'm going to search for the downloader application. Okay, here we are. Make sure you don't get any fakes. These are all fakes. Make sure you get this downloader application right here. 667,000 reviews. Click on the downloader application, then followed by clicking to download the application. It's going to take a minute to get this application. Once the downloader application downloads, we can open it up, but we're not going to open it up. There's a couple things we have to do. Let's press the home button after it installs. Now we're going to follow going to the settings and go to My Fire TV or My Device again. Okay. Developer options, install unknown apps, and make sure we turn the downloader to the on position just by flicking it on, just like that. Now, once we do that, we can press the home button. There's a couple of other things we need for this setup to work. Let's go to Find. Let's scroll down to Search. And once you're in that search box, click inside and you want to type in one word, no spaces. We're going to type in Surf Shark. Okay, let's do that. Let's type in Surf Shark. Okay, just like that, we're going to type in Surf Shark. One word, no spaces. And then we're going to highlight the Surf Shark right here, right below here, and click the search button. You'll notice this VPN comes up, 44,000 reviews. You want to click on the Surf Shark. In the next step, you want to click the download. It's got 44,000 4-star reviews. It's going to queue it and it's going to download the Surfshark VPN. Now you ask me, why would I need a VPN? Well, internet service providers are blocking access, blocking links, blocking sports, special events, and movie and TV show links no longer show up sometimes, and you can't even get access to the store to download the applications. That's how far these blocks have been taking place. So a VPN is going to allow you to get around all that blocks for this application, but not only for this application, but for any other applications that you're using on your Fire Stick. So access to the store, the updates, all the apps, all the links, and full access, untethered, unblocked access. Now, they have over 3,200 servers and 100 gigabit speed, so you won't get any buffering. Once the installation finishes and once the Surfshark VPN installs, all we have to do is open it up and I'll show you the server setup. Let's open the app up and you're going to be presented with this screen. Okay. Now, once the screen comes up, all you have to do now is press that login button right there and it's going to ask you to log in with your own username and password. So I'm going to log in with mine, but I'll show you how to obtain yours, okay? There will be a barcode on the screen for Surfshark. Please ignore that barcode. I'm going to show you a specific barcode right now on the screen with a red border, how to get your own account. Now, full transparency reasons, there's a small fee associated with this, which is less than a cup of coffee per month. It's less than, I believe, $2 or $2 and change. But I think less than $2 if you buy the starter package, which is all you need because that still gives you access to all the servers. You're going to be fully protected. You're going to get full access to that content. You're going to be able to get more links for movies and TV shows, and you're going to be able to get into the store and get these applications and do a specific server setup for my favorite application to show you how this exactly works and how to get it going. So if you need to pause the video, scan this barcode, or go to this bit.ly link here, also in the pinned comment description. You'll be on the landing page, scroll down, choose your package. Usually the starter package will do, which is less than $2 a month. A cup of coffee through this link, you're going to get a huge discount at 88% off. You're going to be fully anonymous, streaming, fully set up, and full access to the store and all those applications, and full access to this specific application, which I truly love. Okay, so I'm going to log into mine. Pause the video if you need to get your own account, because when you go on their website and choose your package, you'll specify your email and you'll create your password and then sign up for your account. You'll get an email confirmation from them, confirm your account, and then you're ready to log in. I'm going to log into mine, and then I'll show you the server setup next in the next screen. So scan this barcode here in the red border, or go to this link, whatever is easier. Choose your package, sign up, put your email, password, log in, and let me show you the next step to get the most on your Fire Stick out of all these applications, including this one. And once you log into your Surfshark, it'll look something like this, okay? I've logged into mine, and then I'll show you the setup. I'll leave the barcode here on the screen, also the links to get your own account if you haven't done that. And let me guide you through the best setup to get the most content out of your Fire Stick. So the first step you would do, you would go to settings, then you go to VPN settings. You would say auto connect on startup, okay? Protocol, click on protocol and make sure that we're selected with the WireGuard automatic, okay? It should be by default, okay? Now, make sure you turn the kill switch on. That's going to keep the VPN. If the VPN goes off, it's going to kill the internet connection. Therefore, you're not going to be streaming while the VPN is off, which makes sure that you're always safe. Okay, so let's turn the kill switch to the on position. Use small packets. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. We're going to use small packets. With some routers and mobile networks, it's helpful for some movie and TV show links. Okay. Now let's go back here. Let's go to Surfshark. Click on that logo right there. And in the search box, click inside of here and you want to type in USA. Now I'll show you this has so many USA servers. It doesn't matter where in the world you are. You want to type in USA and hit next. You want a US server. It doesn't matter where you are. It doesn't matter where in the world you are. Use a US server and try to go once with the least overload. This shows you how many people are on the server. So I'm going to go with Ashburn today. Click on Ashburn. This is going to come up, press OK, but you can click on any server. I'm just choosing Ashburn, but just make sure it's a US server. As you can see, I'm connected to Ashburn here, and I'm all fully protected and safe. So scan that barcode. It's less than a cup of coffee a day. It's going to, a month, not a day, less than a cup of coffee per month. It's literally less than $2 per month, and it's going to keep you safe and protected. Scan this barcode to get that discount if you haven't done so, or go to this bit.ly link here, also in the pinned comment description. Now, press the home button once you're set up with the VPN. We can proceed to the next step. Super simple. We're going to go to My Apps and Games. Open that up. We're going to go and open up the downloader application. Once that opens up, press the OK button and click one up here. Highlight this yellow thing here. Click inside. And all we have to do is put in the following URL. Unlinked. Okay. .link. Unlinked. Just like that, just exactly how you see it on my screen here, unlinked.link, okay? Once you're done that, press the go button, and that's going to take us to the Unlinked website. Now I'm going to show you how to get our store and how to get access to it. See, I have the VPN on and it's going quite fast. The website's loading. Look how fast we're getting these speeds. Click download APK Android. Now a pop-up should come up and it should download and pull that APK onto our device. It's going to say connecting, and you can see it's installing right away. You can press the install button, but let's not open it up. We have to do a final step right after this. Let's press the done button. Now, once we do that, press the delete, followed by the delete button to delete the installation files. That's simple. Press the home Okay, one last step. Let's go to the gear icon. Let's go to My Fire TV, My Device, click on it. Developer options, install unknown apps, and make sure you turn the unlinked to the on position. Now do this with every app you download. It's very important that it has access to your Fire Stick to write files and do all that stuff to make the app usable. Okay, let's press the home button. And now let's go to My Apps and Games. Okay, now let's start up the unlinked application. Now, once it starts up and your VPN is on, this should work. Press the new library. Once this comes up, click inside of there and put in the following code. We're going to put in all lowercase, okay, Firestick, lowercase Firestick. Now, once you put that in, just press the next button right there. That's going to come up with a screen. It's going to pop up. It's going to give you some vital information, very important information. You're going to know what exactly is working for the month, what I'm recommending to you guys. Very important welcome message that's going to give you everything you need here, okay? Now, once you look at the message or take a picture of it, I recommend hit the back arrow on your Fire Stick because you're not going to see it again and relaunch unlinked. But don't worry if you didn't see the welcome message. Once you relaunch unlinked, you'll see this here. Type New Tech Apps, click on it to expand it. That will expand all the categories. And you see I'm in the Fire Stick tools, but you can scroll up and down in all the categories. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to get on my favorite application, which is under the best movies and TV show apps. I'm going to click on our application. I'm going to press the download button. Now, once we do that, you'll see the application is downloading. Okay, it's just going to pull it through. Still getting very good speeds, even connected to a VPN. You can see how fast we're downloading this. And I'm not on the fastest connection. I'm on Wi-Fi. And I'm actually using Starlink right now, and it's not the fastest connection, and I'm still pulling these files, which are quite large, pretty quick, even with the VPN on. So the servers are very fast and very good with Surfshark. Press install app on my favorite application, which is back and working, and press install. No blocks, nothing whatsoever. The application installs. Okay. Now I'll press home just to show you that this installed, that we got it successfully. So let's press home. Let's get out of here and let's go to My Apps and Games. And I'll show you here that here's our application, okay? And here's our unlinked store. Now, it worked, right? And we can go back to the unlinked and get many more applications. Like I said, with our VPN on it, we can get all those applications. We can just load like 50 if we wanted to. So let me show you, if this application stopped working and got blocked for some reason, it just stopped working, let me show you how to fix it. You'd go back to unlinked. And you can fix it yourself before I even update it in my store. You would go to Firestick Tools in my store and you would get the App Cloner application by click on it, download it, and this will pull the application. I'll show you, you can do this with many other applications, up and down, left to right. I got all the categories there for you for best movies, live TV, everything's down below, just a click away. That's how easy it is to do. So this is the App Cloner application. To fix any applications, not only this one, but many others, press install app. It's the same process. And press the install button, but press the done button always. Make sure you always press the done button, okay? So here we are, it's finished, okay? Let's press that home button. And as you can see here, go My Apps and Games. You would see it, it's installed, but we can't use it yet, okay? Let's go to home. One last step we have to do, go to settings. And you don't have My Fire TV or My Device and developer options and install unknown apps, and make sure you turn App Cloner to the on position. Now, you don't have to get App Cloner. I'm only showing you this if one of your streaming apps stopped working on the Fire Stick. It got blocked, okay? So you would just clone it with this cloner application, okay? If the app became unresponsive or wasn't working for whatever reason, Amazon thought that they don't want this application to work, okay? So you just start up this App Cloner application. Super simple. And then it will come up and then you would just press the middle of the D-pad. Press agree and your applications would show up here, and let's say this one wasn't working, we would click on it and we would say clone standard, and that would clone the application for us, right? Super simple, right? See how it's just cloning the app, and when it's finished cloning the app, it'll actually create another version of it and it'll say clone. I'll show you in a minute what happens exactly here. So when it clones the application, if it wasn't working, remember, you don't have to do this. I'm only showing you this as a step if things go bad, if things go wrong, so you don't have to go back looking at my face again and watching my videos again. I would love that, but I'd like to show you some knowledge that you can apply later on when you get stuck. So when you do that, you see you press the install button, and this will install another same application, just a clone of it that will now work. Now it's going to fully work. So when that's done, you'll see in our cloner app, we'll have press the done, don't open it up yet, you'll have these two applications. So this one would be the non-working one, and this would be your new one that you just created. So you click on the old one and you just simply uninstall the non-working one, press OK. If that application wasn't working, it would uninstall it and this one would stay. That's working. Now, when you go here and you go to My Apps and Games, you'll see that there will be only one. The other one will just completely disappear. Okay, and this is the working one. Okay, now I'll show you for this entire process. I will show you how I did all this. That my VPN, my Surfshark VPN was on and connected here with WireGuard for 10 minutes. So this is the best setup. So make sure you're protected with a VPN. If you haven't done it in the first step, make sure you scan this barcode here. I'll put it up again with the red border, scan me. You can go also to the bit.ly link or in the link in the comment below. One account will work on your phone, on your Firestick device, on your ONN TV box, works all across the board, gives you the most links, the most content, gives you the updates from the store, keeps you protected if you haven't done it in the first step, and it's less than a cup of coffee per month. That's how much it costs. It's going to give you great access and great streaming experience over over 20 or 30 US servers and 100 gigabyte connection, high speeds. You're not going to get buffering. You're not going to get issues. Surfshark works very, very well for streaming, okay? So that's pretty much concludes my video on fully loading the Firestick. I say fully loading because once you have this store here, you can put any other applications. I'm only showing you one. I'm showing you 1% of what can be done. There's so much more in the store. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Please comment in the comments below if this worked. Let me know if any other applications didn't work. I'll fix them right away if they don't work. Also, I might put a pin lock in my store as people will, take the applications and put them in the store and don't even give me credit and just copy stuff from my store. Therefore, I might put a 4-digit pin. I haven't done it yet, but if I do put it in the future, please comment below and I'll reply to your comment with the 4-digit pin if I do that. I don't take money. I don't take donations. Sorry about that, but I've never taken a single dollar as a donation. All I would want is for you guys to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, bell icon notification, share this video with family or friend that they're trying to watch movies, trying to get content, and they're stuck. Share this video with them. That's going to help them tremendously. It's going to help me. They're going to see my beautiful face again. I'm sure you're tired of looking at it, but other people maybe haven't seen me again. I would appreciate if you share my video with family and friends. Also, I'll pop a barcode here on the screen. You can easily follow me on X. Just pull out your phone, scan this barcode. I'll tell you to the X account, formerly Twitter. I have a lot of X followers. I'm continuously growing that base there to keep you guys updated with apps and all that stuff. So follow me on X. And that's going to keep the community tight there. And you're going to get the updates sometimes first on X before I actually make a video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the support. And I'll see you all in the next video. Have a wonderful, beautiful day. Take care.